part now. Okay. I'm going for the chair, sir. Yesterday we designed no chair. You can say this is very tiny here because we have given only some 4 mm for the leg and some 15. Yes. Okay, so just click it and you can nail to it. Even you can give more than that. Now it's fine. Okay. Okay, now I am going for the settings here. So I am going for the custom settings here. Here you will be having two extruder. First I am going for the main base. Okay. So you can see here black is my main one and orange is the support material. So you can you have to give, if you want to change the setting, you have to change the setting for the both. Okay, so some setting can be compromised for the support material. So first I am taking the base material. So layer height 0.1. Okay, let it be as it is. Initial layer height is less 0.27. Okay. So these things I think already I have explained to you everything. So now I am going to see here. So you change the temperature according to the manufacturer what they have given. And here standby temperature is there. You can able to see here, and one more option is there, prime tower. Okay, can able to see here no prime tower and standby temperature is there. So here what is the use of this standby temperature is, that is the temperature of the second nozzle, because normally one nozzle will be printing. If the another nozzle is idle, if it is not printing means at some time, then obviously the temperature will comes down. In order to maintain the temperature, we are putting this as a 195 degrees Celsius. Suppose this nozzle, while the second nozzle is printing the support structure, then the first nozzle will be idle. In order to maintain the temperature, we are giving it as a 195, because the melting temperature is around some 210 something here. So from getting the increasing the temperature from 195 to 210 will be very easy. I think 2 days back someone is asked me how to maintain the temperature during the printing. So you have to change the settings here. This and all I already explained you. Cooling. This is, you can see the color here. This is a extruder support in the second. You can see the colors here. These are all second one. Here overhang angle you can change it as 45 degree. Support placement everywhere. Lines okay. And here I want some raft to be created, because only 4 legs are there. So I am going for the raft here. So raft you want to create with the extruder 1 or extruder 2, you can select accordingly. So I am going for extruder 2. So these are all the data related to that, how much thickness you want for the draft. So I am leaving as it is. I am not going to change now. Then raft speed, everything.
We also have default setting, no, sir.
Yeah, default setting is there, sir, but you cannot able to see all these things in the default setting. So there you can able to see what will be visible is only the layer thickness will be visible, and the support structure will be visible.
Support
Yes,
structure,
yes.
okay.
So here you can see enable prime tower. Enable prime tower is nothing but with this tower we are not going to do anything with the print. So since we are using two nozzle, when one nozzle is printing, at that time, another, since in order to make use of the another nozzle, what it will do is it will create one more tower, because material coming from that we cannot keep it as an idle, no. In order to make the other nozzle to you print something, what it will do, the system will do is it will create one tower. So that is a enable prime tower. If you want, you can keep it, or if you don't want, you can remove it. So what will happen is you will get one simple tower along with the print. That is no way related with the print. That you have to remove it and we have to throw it off. Once it is completed, then you can go for the first filament is completed. Next you can go for the second nozzle. Then you can do the same thing, everything here. Okay, now since there is no time, I am just sticking on to the data, whatever is available there. Here you can increase the print speed, you can reduce the infill density, everything here. Because this is a support, so you can reduce that everything so that the time required will be very less. Here one more option will be there. The top layer you can print with a different color. Because you are having two nozzles here, no, here top layer you can use with the different color. You can see here. Here one option is there, no, top bottom extruder. If you click that, the top layer and bottom layer alone you can use a different color. If I want the top layer to be printed by this color and the remaining part printed by the black color, then I can go with this. Okay. And similarly, if I want the bottom layer to be printed with this, then I can go with this. If you want, you can enable this, or if you don't want, you can remove this. So that is the option in multiple nozzle. Okay, once everything is fine, I am going to slice it now. Going for a preview. And you can see the support structures. So, so it will print from like this. You can see the raft is printed here, no? In previous case, it was not there. Since we have given raft here, first layer will be a raft.
Okay.
So initial layer will be a raft. So first it will print the raft. You can see here. First it is printing the raft. So how many layers we have given for raft? If you have given 2 or 3 layers for the raft, then it will create 2-3 layers the raft alone. Say first it is creating the bottom raft, then over that it will go for the next one. I am going for something in between that. You can change the whatever you want, you can change. This is a line type here. You want material color, you can go for the material color. Whatever printing in black color, that is a base material. You can see the support material is printing in orange color. Can you able to see the support material is printing in orange color. You can see now it is clearly visible. Black color is a base material, support is a orange color, and the raft also I have chosen the second nozzle. So that is a second one. You can see this is the base, everything is a black color. So now this once it was printed, then I have to remove those supports. I hope you have understand this. Any doubts on this? See, beginners, what I expected from you is just go for anything here. Okay. So if you click this, you can select any profiles here. Any profile and you can go initially. Or if you want to customize, you can go for the customize one.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.